its incomplete balcony. So my topic is relatives answer. Okay. When you turn at 24 or 25, relative will start asking you, what are you doing with your lives? And when you are getting a good job, good career, lots of blah 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 questions. Okay. Their words always will hurt you, and they will make you feel hopeless and frustrated and disappointed. Okay, but listen to me, brother, listen to me. Be careful. Don't argue with them. They're silent. Let them talk, no problem. Let them talk. What gonna happen? What gonna say? It doesn't matter. Let them talk.